Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. So today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade marinara. And the key is the quality of tomatoes that you use. My favorite are the San Marzano tomatoes. I just think that they make the best, most delicious marinara. All right, so I've got my ingredients. Just going to go over them with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out later. But let's get started because it's that time to get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop my onion. All right, to a large pot, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. All right, then I'm going to add my onion. And I'm going to mince 3 cloves of garlic. As soon as the onions become translucent and they're tender, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of red wine. And then I have 2 cans of San Marzano style tomatoes, and they are crushed. All right, next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and I also have 2 small bay leaves. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This just really helps balance out the flavors. It helps with the acidity. All right, so I'm going to turn this on a low heat, and I'm going to let this cook for about 1 hour. All right, I'm going to give a little taste to see if I need to add any salt or anything. And I do think it needs some more salt. I'm actually going to add 1 more teaspoon. All right, so my marinara is done. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of spaghetti and put down on my plate. My marinara is on my spaghetti, but I'm not quite done. I've actually made some chicken parmesan, and the video to show you just how to make the chicken parmesan will be the video that will come out next. So you want to stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.